This is a short introduction to the app builder. It's very quick and easy to use. I'm going to show you some of the features of it very quickly and how to produce a APK file. I'll then go into more detail on different videos so that you can look at each of the individual features quickly and easily in a short video rather than making this a great big long one. So you're greeted with this screen when you first come into the app maker. To make a new app, click Create New Application, and then you'll have a list of your existing applications here. I've created one here for us to experiment with, so I'm going to edit it. This is your workflow at the top of what you need to do. So you will normally start with design, which is the layout and the feel of the app. You can go on to the colours, and you can alter the colours of all the different elements, how much they show through from one page to another, and create a unique application that way. The features page is where you put all the things the app can do. That's a very important section. Application is to do with the technical features like putting adverts into it. And finally, publication is what you need to produce the APK file which you'll use for Google Play, or the iOS file which you'll need for Apple. Design is quite simple and straightforward. You can pick a template. I find it's easiest to use the blank one, but there'll be lots of templates there which you can use. The layout feature, it's very easy to choose all the different layouts which are available. At the moment, there is a side bar with the menu on it. If we wanted to change it, I'll pick this one at random. And you can see that the layout has been changed. The app previewer works really well. I'm going to change that back. I think it was this one that I had. There you go, it's gone back. You'll be asked to insert some images here, which is what starts the app off when you first load it. And it's quite simple what you need to do. We'll go into that in more detail. And again, you've got more options here about what you want to show and what you want to hide. The font you can set throughout the app so you can get your own look and feel for the app. I've made this app from scratch so you can see that there's nothing else like it on the marketplace. I've chosen all the colours and all the font myself. Now, I won't go through all these options right now because you can change everything, absolutely everything you can change. But all the colours of the app are set here. Background, the text. You can change absolutely everything, and you'll soon know. You'll soon figure out what you can do. You'll probably find that you won't need to change every colour every time. If you know CSS, you can amend that here as well. The features of the app are added here. We'll look into these in more detail later, but you can see that I've put in various features to the app. There's my legal page, my contact form, there is the content of the app which I've put into a source code page, and so on and so forth. With the application, you need to set a icon for the app. That's what appears on the home screen of the app, and it's very easy. You just upload it. If you're going to use push notifications, you need an icon for that. And then the splash screen is what is loaded when you first open the app and it's loading. So when you download an app, you'll notice that there's normally an image comes up. Sometimes it says the app is just loading, or give us a moment. It's only there for a few seconds while the app loads. Again, that's fairly self-explanatory. And then when you come to publish the app, you can choose the application name, the bundle ID and package name, which I would suggest you keep the same. You can choose whether to put Android or iOS. So you can choose whether to put AdMob apps into it for both Android and for Apple. And then quite simply generate source code. And the source code will then appear here in a few minutes time, and it normally comes through in less than 10 minutes. There's a very quick introduction to the app maker. I'll go on to the other features in more detail.